Hello and welcome to Danny Stephen Moss presents Real Mars Life. Here we are at the marsrover.jpl.nasa.gov site. For this link will be posted below. This picture will look like it's absolutely nothing if you just look at it very quickly and go, wow, Mars rocks. Well, Mars does rock. Here's why. Let's show you what this really looks like when you really look at it correctly. As soon as I could, there we go. All right. Now, this is colorized of the same thing that you were just looking at of the rock. But you'll notice that this particular rock in the front here is a humanoid face, or human face, I should say. You can plainly see the nose line, the lips, the helmet itself. The helmet is quite ornate, shows it has some detail of some kind of eye device. This rock is carved right into the face, and it has this approximate air hole entrance. It's very interesting, right? Okay. Now, what I did was I also noticed in this rock, in this field of rocks, some other interesting stuff. Okay. For example, this. Now, here, let me zoom out so you can see my analysis version, which I'll also post a link to. Down here is the NASA image colorized and marked the unique objects in the image. And for example, this. Now, I just want to state clearly, I've only outlined and colored the areas that form the lines themselves to demonstrate what is there. I urge you to look yourself and examine everything. You know, I wouldn't take anything from anybody on, just their speculation. If it's up to you also to investigate this, because this is world knowledge, this is world information, and we all need to share this information because there's people having all this information control, and it's not right. Okay, humans are meant to have this knowledge, not be withheld from it. So you'll notice here in this part of the image is a bird, and actually another bird, and there's some really quite detailed, amazing structures and rocks in this. You have to really look at it closely. So in order to help out, because I know most people don't have the time of day to really do this, I've assisted by providing the most unique images on Mars. I'd like to point out also that my images, there are so many great images there, and yeah, it takes so much time to get to a point where you can really start to see there's these carvings and ruins and all that. Insects, this actually, we have centipedes on Earth that are very similar looking. So these things can't happen just at random like nature. This is all something very unique, very special, and very important for the knowledge of all mankind to realize that we live in a universe where there's a lot of life, a lot more life, tons of life. Believe it, it's true, it's on NASA. I'll post the link below. I have other angles of this image to verify. I will post them shortly. And this is number 3 of my series. Thanks for stopping by. This has been Danny Stephen Moss. See you soon.